it's Laura Gwyn, and I just wanted to quickly let you know that today we have 7 for sale by owners holding open houses today. And that is what I do on Sundays. While my team is holding their open houses, I'm out previewing all of the off-market homes. And so we have 7 on the route today that are all available for me to quickly preview for the buyers that we're working with. And I do have a for sale by owner system. I assist them with selling their home. Here's an example of one of the 7 mistakes buy owners make. Look, no sign. You've got to have a for sale sign if you have your house on the market. So get a sign, step number 1. The last gal that we just talked about, no signage. I'm going to give her a pass on this one because she knocked it out of the park on the interior. She just didn't have her sign out yet. But check this out. This guy, he's got signage. Very, very pretty neighborhood. Nice exterior. We're at our last one, and this one is also in Kaiser on a cul-de-sac. As I'm wrapping up today's tour, I just wanted to quickly tell you an important point. 2 of those 7 houses were vacant, but I'll tell you what, they looked beautiful. These for sale by owners had cleaned to the hilt, completely updated. They had paid for professional staging. They really came to the market strong. They did a very good job. And that is so important in today's market because the market has shifted. And it's good that they know this. But I'm finding that consumers are really smart. They have all this information available to them. And I would just encourage you to work with a professional or do the research yourself. If you're a DIY kind of person, that's great. Do it yourself. But you have got to do the research. You have got to come to the market strong. Everything completely professionally cleaned inside and out. Gutters, roof treatment, everything. And then paint. Do those home repairs, that need to be done. If your house is vacant, stage it. They sell for 79% faster and for about 18% more money. You just can't afford to not do that. And it's worth it. You have to be a degree of separation when you come to the market because the market has shifted. You have to be different. That's why we're previewing all of these off-market homes because we have to be different. Buyers today have all of these homes available on their phones, in all these apps at their fingertips. They know this information. It's readily available to them. The reason that buyers come to us and they formally interview and hire us and choose us to represent them is because of our degree of separation. We're continually bringing items of value. They know that when they tell us a price and what their search criteria is, we're going to show them everything available in their price range, not just the homes in MLS. And that's why they choose us to represent them. So if you're a seller considering coming to the market, you've got to be ready and prepared. And if you don't know what that means, ask me for the marketing plan and the, how to prepare your home to sell information. It's different than it used to be. And I'm happy to provide it to you, no obligation, free of charge. Just don't give it to my competition, okay? Because I've worked hard on this information. I'm happy to share it with you, but don't give it to my competition. If you're a buyer, please put us on the list of agents that you'd interview for the job because we can show you everything that's available for sale. Have a wonderful Sunday. I'm going to slip inside and spend some time with my husband because it's our anniversary.